Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about framing a major scale. For this, we shall be using these cards. You all are very much familiar with these 12 notes which are kept in sequence. First, let me ask you a question. Which are the notes of C major scale? Yes, they are C, D, E, F, G, A and B. If you observe carefully, we have skipped few notes. Do you know why? Because these notes are not required in C major scale. So, how do we find out which notes are required in a scale and which are not? For that, we will use a formula, and the formula is tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Also we can say whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Tone or whole step means to skip the immediate note and proceeding to the next note. For example, if we start from C, then the next whole step will be D. And if we start from D, the next whole step will be E. In the other way, semitone or half step means proceeding to the immediate note. For example, if we start from E, the next half note or semitone will be F. Again, if we start from F, then the next half step or semitone will be F sharp. I hope that the concept of half step and whole step or semitone and tone is clear to you. Now let's frame D major scale by using the formula. As it is D major scale, we will definitely start with the note D. This will be our root note or sa. Now we will start applying the formula. The first step is a whole step. So we will skip the immediate note, that is D sharp, and will proceed to the next note E. Next step is also a whole step. So in the same way, we will skip the next immediate note F and will proceed to note F sharp. Now the next is a half step. So we are not going to skip any note. We will proceed to the immediate next note, that is G. Now again whole step. So we will skip G sharp and we will go for A. Again a whole step. So we will skip A sharp and we will go for B. Again a whole step means you have to skip C and you have to go for C sharp. So the notes of D major scale are D, E, F sharp, G, A, B and C sharp. Now try to frame other major scales such as E major scale, F major scale, G major scale, A major scale, B major scale. You can also frame D sharp major scale, F sharp major scale, G sharp major scale, A sharp major scale and C sharp major scale by using the same formula.